If you're trying to incorporate lentils in your diet, while rice is one of your favorite grains, I suggest you try this Persian lentil rice. This recipe was introduced by my Persian mother-in-law, and I made a little tweaks to make it convenient and healthier. To make this lentil rice, there are two groups of ingredients, the lentil rice and the topping, which is a sautee onion with dates. For the rice, you need basmati rice, salted butter, ground turmeric, and cooked lentils. I always prep my lentils earlier, so it helped with the cooking. In case you don't know how to cook lentils, I just shared a video on how to prep lentils in a rice cooker, so check it out. For the sautee onion, you need 3 big onions, salted butter, medjool pita dates, and saffron water. However, the saffron water is optional. Here's how my mother-in-law taught me how to make saffron water for cooking. First, you need to have pestle and mortar. Take a pinch of saffron to the mortar and grind it with a pestle until it becomes powder. And take a half palm of ice cubes and pour the saffron powder on the cubes. This gives the saffron time to release the aroma and color while the ice melts. But if you need it fast, you can use 3 tablespoons of hot water with the same amount of saffron. Now you have all the ingredients ready. Let's start with cooking the rice in the rice cooker. Yes, although the original Persian recipe calls to soak the rice overnight and cook them over stovetop, I find that rice cookers shorten the process and reduce use of cooking oil, which can be inflammatory. Wash the rice until the water looks clearer. It may take you 3 to 4 times until you get that, or maybe more. And then I'm gonna add water. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water. Now I'm adding butter and turmeric powder into the rice bowl. Give a little stir to combine turmeric throughout the rice to get a consistent color. Depending on your rice cooker, I have white rice setting here. It usually takes me 40 minutes to cook. So now we have more than enough time to prepare the topping. Moving to the sautee onion, peel the onion, wash the black part surface, and then slice them. You don't need to cut them very thin. We want them to be medium thick and juicy. I'm using medium-sized pan. Now I'm gonna melt the salted butter under medium heat. Butter tends to burn fast and has high smoke points, so you may not want to use high heat. Once they melt, I'm gonna add the onion and cook it for about 7 minutes or until it turns translucent. I'm sure this is not a secret anymore to make sautee onion. You need to stir it gradually to make sure it's not burning. When the onion turned light brown like this color here, it's time to add dates. But before that, I'm gonna cut them roughly first. Dates go in. Stir them together. And now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of saffron water. This will help to soften the dates. Stir gradually until the onions and dates are softened and turn dark brown. That may take you another 7 minutes. Now this is done, I'm going to transfer to a plate and set it aside. Once the rice cooks, we are going to mix the lentil with the rice. I'm going to add the lentils to the pot little by little and mix them gently together. You don't want to break the rice or smash the lentils, so I'm folding it very gently. So here it is. Topping with our sautee onion on top. And not to forget that this dish is best served with yogurt and cucumber sauce to balance the sweetness from the sautee onion and dates. You may check the recipe here, it will take you less than 5 minutes to whip it. Bon appetit!